Hi guys, thank you so much for enrolling in this course, and we have taken the step 1 together of enrolling. Now step 2, where we actually start studying and we go through the course, we go through the lectures, we go through the exercise. So I just wanted to make sure that we understand how the pattern of the course is and what's the best strategy to take the course. So first thing, this course assumes that you have zero knowledge, zero or close to zero knowledge. So it's okay that there might be some concepts that you already know based on other languages or you have already given shot to other videos, but may not be well covered there. So I make sure that anyone who's going through these videos has zero to close to zero knowledge on JavaScript and those concepts. So it's okay if you want to forward it and you want to go ahead if you already know the subject or you already know the topic. The second thing is the best way to do or learn a language is by practicing. So there's no excuse to not practice. I've seen many people take such courses. Now the best way is to do practice along with your videos. So you can go through the video if you're completely new to the subject, go through the video once and then come back to the video and slowly start practicing along with me so that you and me are doing it together. That being said, after every section or a logical point, I have a set of exercises for you because doing is actually getting it done. And that's what you need. So do as many exercises as possible. I know you might be overwhelmed with more than 70-75 exercises and probably I'll add more, but don't be. You need to go ahead and take up the exercises. The next thing is questions. Make sure you ask enough questions to yourself and to me. Challenge me on things that you think are not right. Challenge yourself to think that this is right or not, or why this is like that. And if you have a question, feel free to write it in the Q&A section. There's no question as a dumb question, and if you're really shy about writing and coming out in public about a question, Udemy has a very good platform where you can actually send me a message. So you can message me a question and I usually respond within 5 to 6 hours and maximum up to 2 days. So feel free to write to me if you have any questions of any kind. That being said, many people have reached out to me, what's next after JavaScript? Well, let's get the basics right. Once we know the basics, there are tons of different languages, frameworks, and libraries that you can use. But before we get on to it, let's make sure our basics are right. Once we get that, you can actually cruise through even those languages because ultimately they are built on JavaScript. And the next one, make sure you're taking breaks. Don't take a concept or lectures as a Netflix marathon. It's okay to take breaks if you're new to the subject. Take a lecture, study it, practice it, and if you want you can read more materials or ask me for materials around it. I will be very obliged to give you. If you like what you see, you better rate it so that I know that you're liking the video or the work that we all are doing together. So don't hesitate, give your ratings, give your feedback, and it's okay if you don't like something, message me, I'll try to rectify it. Because that's the only way even I can learn. If you don't tell me what's not working out, I cannot fix it. So it's okay to tell me what's not working out, but I will appreciate if you message me about those things because ratings also affect my instructor background. So please be cognizant of that. So let's not waste any more time and let's get started. Together we have a lot to achieve.